Welcome to One Chemistry. This is 365 chemistry series. Daily one question for you. Here butadiene is given, you are reacting with bromine. You have to find the final product. Here the confusion normally comes whether 1,2 addition or 1,4 addition, but the thermodynamically stable product is 1,4 addition there. The first of the reaction is bromine addition. Bromine can add to the end or add to the 1,2 position. So 1,2 position is kinetic as well as steric, so it's a minor there. Thermodynamic product is major, steric free, and it follows SN2 prime mechanism. What is SN2 prime mechanism? It's a modification of SN2 mechanism. First step of the reaction is brominium ion formation. The cation form at the double bond with bromine, 3-member ring. Then the next bromine attacks the conjugated position, which is gamma position attack. So gamma attack lead to the ring opening. You have final product there. So 1,4 addition is feasible. It's steric free. Here the concept you have to learn here is butadiene undergo 1,4 addition as well as 1,2 addition. But 1,4 addition is thermodynamically stable and it is major, which follows SN2 prime mechanism. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching.